Hi, this is Khalid Saifuddin with S&P 500 future call, index future call for 5th September. Let's go and check it out, the last week calls first. And before going there, let me give you the glimpse of the crude oil situation. Last week we had 5 calls for 5 sessions. The Monday was a long call, which achieved more than the target. Target was 94.55.75, and the bulls achieved 97.30. And then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, consistently we recommended short call, and all these 3 calls achieved their targets. And then on Friday, it is stated that we have a good support and possibility of some recovery, but you have to check it out. You can go long on that recovery, but we more support the going short on the strength. So it was a good call, I believe, because we noticed the strength on Friday and tested 89.65 and then dropped down to 87.05. No, sorry, the low was 86.60, closing at 87.06. So all 5 sessions were awesome. Now let's come to the call of today, which is for Monday, 5th September, S&P 500. So here is the glimpse of last week, and you can see the daily candles on the right side of your slide. And here on Monday, with the start of the week, we were in short. Monday we have a target of 4020, and which is achieved. And then later on Tuesday, it is stated that shorts are below 4019.60. Check it out. It is also worked great. And then on Wednesday, 31st August, it is stated that go short on strength below or around 4019.60, which worked again, and 39.50 level achieved. And later on Thursday, it is stated that trading below 39.23 may continue this slide. The other option is the short on the strength. So if you look at the daily candle of Thursday, it is noticed with the recovery, but after having a low of 3900, 39.11 something. And then on Friday, we recommended going long above 39.75 for chasing next level. And further stated there, do not expect too much from bulls. Strictly follow trailing stop loss because the index is still in a pressure. So the given long call went up to the high of, let me show you, high up to 4018 some. 18.30, which is again below 4019.60. So it was an awesome long followed by the short on the strength call, because there it is stated you can think of going short on the strength below 4019.60, and then index notice with the pressure and then comes back to some 3900. So overall, all 5 sessions achieved their targets, and one session, especially the Friday, given an awesome opportunity of trading in both directions. Now let's go to the possibility of coming session. Here you have a chart in front of you, the daily and 4-hour chart both. If you look at in the daily chart, you can see the power of bears. And now let's read the call. Bears are in power and they will remain in power, and exhaustion to continue by trading below 39.31. So we have a red line there on 39.31. If index trades below 39.31, if sustains, we'll keep our shorts on or for following the next level. Which one is the next level? After 39.31, we have a 39.05. So we'll go for 39.05 as a target, and then upon breaking 3904, we'll target 3874.15. Now go back to the call there. I see new selling pressure below 3874. What does it mean? It means the momentum of bears will be double below 3874.15. It gives me the two signals. Number one, 3874.15 as a support. So we may find some recovery possibility also. So the best thing is to exit around or above 3874 from short, and then going short again below 3874. That's the safest way to do it. And smart traders who understand multiple trading opportunities, what they can do, they can stay in the short, trail the stop loss, and go long above 3874.15 and place the stop loss below 3874.15. And this long possibility is not in my call, because this is only for the people who understand the life sentiment and they see the exhaustion of bulls and bears on chart. Only those people can think of a daring long. And I'm recommending this long because the risk and reward ratio is quite low. The stop loss is just below 3874.15. And if it breaks 3874.15, well out of our long with a little loss and getting into short again, as the call says, going short again below 3874.15. So that's how the short-term traders think and work on the calls. So I recommend always having a open window in your mind for any possibility popping up on the chart and looking into the situation. When you receive the call, when you see the call, just have 3 green lines and 3 red lines. Okay? The 3 green lines are above the closing price, and the 3 red lines are the levels below the closing price. And then we made it thicker, the lines we made thicker, which indicated in our call, like you can look into this 4 hours chart, the 3931 and 3874 are thicker line. Why it is thicker? Because we have to execute trade on these levels. These levels are helpful for execution of trade. So that's why these lines are thicker. So if you follow the call like this and drawing these lines and then looking into the market, you can see the market on 1 hour chart, which is very good for traders. Not for me. When I do the analysis, I do not check 1 hour chart. To me, it is really a short-term chart. So for having a better view of the market, I only look 4 hours chart as my minimum chart, and I see daily chart, I see weekly chart, I see monthly chart, and all these charts. And then after looking into the possibilities on all those charts, we may come to the conclusion, and then will recommend you the action plan. So right in front of you, the action plan is. I wish you all the best for your trade in S&P 500. And for your information, we are also offering call for NASDAQ, Dow Jones, Euro USD, crude oil, and gold. And I appreciate my viewers for your feedback, because it really matters. Your feedback matters a lot. And whoever like to have a live calls on daily basis and during the market support, while in the market timings we try giving all support, like if having a multiple trading opportunity, more than the call. Like if you see a short call for Monday, and if we find in the late afternoon the possibility of long after a short call, we update on our WhatsApp groups. So here is the number 92345 619 You can send a request here if you like to join our WhatsApp group. Our representative will assist you for all your need. The Pakistani viewers can have their own other offers, because for Pakistani viewer we have a complete support for Pakistan Mercantile Exchange, and for those who are trading in international markets and with the international brokers, having another kind of a support we are giving to our international viewers. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye.